Okay, given this function, calculate the following values. Display answer as a reduced fraction or integer. If the answer is undefined, write does not exist. So first let's do f of 11. So what I'm going to do is just write this whole function and just leave the x like this, just blank. And then over blank plus 10, and we know 11 will go in that spot. So let's do the numerator and then we'll do the denominator. So we want to do order of operations, right? So please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So here we can see exponents will come before we multiply. So we'll have -4, 11 times 11 is 121, plus 9 over 11 plus 10, we can do that one, 21. Okay, -4 times 121, let's see, what are we going to have there? Okay, -484 plus 9 over 21. Okay, -484 plus 9, we're going to have, oh, let me get my pen, -475 divided by 21. And they want it, so I just divided that and I got a decimal. So automatically when I get a decimal, I'm in the habit of just looking back and seeing what do the instructions say. So it does say display answer is a reduced fraction or integer. And so this one, we kind of need to check if we can reduce it. I'm thinking 475 could be divisible by 3. It's not. I know it could be divisible by 7, which it's not, and so it looks like that's the furthest down because 3 and 7 are the only ones 21 could reduce by, and 21, and so this one will just be our final for f of 11. Okay, so f of 11 equals -475. Okay. Okay, let's do this next one. We can do the same thing. So we're going to have again -4. I'll just write out everything with just open parentheses. Make sure I've got everything. So I have -10 in all my places. So in the top, in fact, you might even be seeing something here. So we could do the top or we could do this bottom denominator first. So -10 plus 10 is going to give me 0 in the denominator. Can I have 0 in the denominator? I cannot. There's a saying, it's all fun and games until someone divides by 0. We cannot divide by 0. And so right there we can see we don't even have to continue. This one is going to be a D&E. It does not exist. It's undefined. Okay. So any number that makes the denominator 0, for one thing, it's not part of the domain if we were going to talk about the domain of this. So -10 is not okay in the domain, but it makes this rational function not exist, which is why it's not part of the domain. So anyway, there are the two answers for those values.